Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn about positive idioms or idiomatic expressions in the Filipino language. Idioms are mga sawikain in Filipino. Mga sawikain. These are phrases that have a different meaning from the literal meaning of the words within the phrase. Mga parirala na may ibang kahulugan sa literal na kahulugan ng mga salita. Phrases, mga parirala. That, na. Have, may. Different, ibang. Meaning, kahulugan. From the, sa. Literal, literal. Of the, ng. Words, mga salita. Our lesson today will focus on idioms about positive attitude. Mga sawikain tungkol sa positibong ugali. Idioms, mga sawikain about, tungkol sa. Positive, positibo. Attitude, ugali. Here is our first idiom. Mababa ang loob. Literally, this is low inside or inside is low. Mababa, low, loob, inside. But the actual use is to describe someone as humble or modest. Here is an example. Jack is humble. Mababa ang loob ni Jack. That Filipino sentence actually translates to Jack's inside is low. However, it is wrong in the English language, right? But there it is. Mababa ang loob. Inside is low. Ni Jack. We used ni before Jack to attribute that quality or trait to Jack. The humbleness belongs to Jack. Jack showed humility. Nagpakita ng mababang loob si Jack. Showed is nagpakita. Now, humility is not actually mababang loob, but we do use a sentence like this when we want to say Jack showed humility. We can say nagpakita ng mababang loob si Jack. But the correct translation is nagpakita ng kababaang loob si Jack. And humility is kababaang loob. Here is our next positive idiom. Mahaba ang PC. Literally, this is long string or the string is long. Mahaba is long. PC is string. We use this to say that someone is very patient. My mom is very patient. Mahaba ang PC ng nanay ko. The Filipino sentence actually translates to my mom's string is long. So, my is ko, mom, nanay. Mahaba ang PC. The string is long. So whenever we want to describe that someone is very patient, we use the idiom mahaba ang PC. She is very patient, but don't test her. Mahaba ang PC niya, pero huwag mo siyang susubukan. She is very patient. Mahaba ang PC niya. We use niya because the translation is actually her string is very long or her string is long and her is niya. But, pero, Don't huwag. There is an implied you in that English sentence, and you is mo. Test, subukan. Her is siya. Our next positive idiom is mababaw ang kaligayahan. Again, mababaw ang kaligayahan. The literal translation is shallow happiness, or happiness is shallow. Mababaw is shallow, kaligayahan, happiness. The actual use is to describe someone who is easy to please. She is easy to please. Mababaw ang kaligayahan niya. And the actual translation is, her happiness is shallow. Mababaw ang kaligayahan is, happiness is shallow. And we use niya as her. I am easy to please. Mababaw lang ang kaligayahan ko. This translates to, my happiness is only shallow. Mababaw lang ang kaligayahan. Happiness is only shallow. And ko is my. How do you use this? Well, for example, someone asks you, what do you want for your birthday? You can say, mababaw lang ang kaligayahan ko. Whatever you give, I will appreciate. Our next idiom is walang kupas, which literally is no fade or no fading. Walang is no, kupas, fade. The actual use is to describe someone as enduring or has a trait that never fades or never change. My grandma's beauty never fades. Walang kupas ang ganda ng lola ko. My, ko, grandma, lola, beauty, ganda. Never fades, walang kupas. Your talent never fades, walang kupas ang galing mo. Your, mo, talent, galing, never fades, walang kupas. And here is another one. You never change, wala kang kupas. You, ka, and never change is also walang kupas. Here is our last idiom for this lesson. Bukas ang palad. Bukas ang palad, which is literally open palm. Bukas, open. Palad, palm. But the actual use is to describe someone who is generous. He is generous to the poor. Bukas ang palad niya sa mga mahirap. It translates to, his palm is open to the poor. Bukas ang palad, palm is open. Niya, his. To the, sa. Poor, mga mahirap. I am generous to the charities. Bukas ang palad ko sa mga kawanggawa. It translates to, my palm is open to the charities. Bukas ang palad, palm is open. Ko is my. Charities, mga kawanggawa. That is our lesson on positive idioms, and we will talk more about idioms in our next lessons. For your homework, as usual, practice. Practice using the positive idioms we have learned to describe a person's attitude in Filipino. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!